Okay, we are at the port marina. Here's the port of Casablanca. So this mosque is Hassan II. It's beautiful.
It's placed in a like magical place.
Yeah,
Location.
It's spectacular.
Wow, so beautiful. Here we have some kids playing around with bikes.
Yeah, apparently a helmet is just a recommendation. People don't wear helmets here. You do see 3 people on a motorcycle without helmets. You do not see too many families, like 5-member families riding a motorcycle like in Asia. But helmet is a recommendation here. They do not wear helmets, which personally I think it's very silly. I've been riding motorcycles for over 20 years. And doctors call riders that ride without a helmet, you know how they call them?
No, how?
Organ donors. Yeah, that's what they call people who ride motorcycles without a helmet.
Okay.
So unless you want to become an organ donor early in life,
Please use a helmet.
use a helmet.
More if you are here, the traffic here is chaotic.
There are no laws. Like
No.
it's I don't even think it's organized chaos. It's just chaos. Crossing the street is like playing Froggy. In other places where we've been, in the north, people, when they saw the stroller and the baby, they would stop and would let you pass.
Yeah.
Here, they are too much in a rush. This city feels a lot more stressful than the north.
Yes.
People here they're nice. I would not say that the people in Casablanca are not nice, because they are nice, but they're a bit more stressed.
Yeah. Yeah, the energy is completely different, but I suppose it's what happens in big cities, no?
Yeah, all big cities are like that. And still, I think for a big city, and Casablanca is a big chaotic city, I think they're still very nice. They're still very nice. Especially the women. The women are always very nice.
Yes.
But also the men, if you need help, they will always help you. Nobody will ever say, no, I don't have time, I don't feel like it. You won't get that here. Okay, yeah.
Wow, this mosque, it's just impressive.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
we more or less keep shooting this to show you as we get closer to the mosque, so you see how impressive it is. The closer we get, the more impressive it is. And today, I think it's a beautiful day for this mosque, because the sky is not completely blue, but it is bluish, and the mosque looks really nice on that
huge.
background.
So far, it's the biggest one I've seen.
Well, I do know
Myself particularly.
it is a big mosque.
Because you have the sea, ocean, just in front of it. And you know, life near the sea is always better.
It is. Yeah, you can smell strong smell of the sea.
Salt, yes. So nice. Everything.
Yeah. Okay guys, so that's where we'll say goodbye. Hassan II, beautiful mosque. When you're in Casablanca, recommended to come see it. Right next to the mall. There's the mall over there.
Plus, the walk is really nice.
The walk is really nice. Yeah, you can go from the old Medina where we came from, and a little walk, about 10 minutes, 15 minutes walk from the old Medina, you get to the port, and the mosque is along the boardwalk. and the boardwalk is really nice. It's big, it's paved, there are no holes, and we'll show you the streets in Casablanca. The sidewalks are full of holes.
Yeah.
It's almost impossible to walk with a stroller. It's quite an operation, but here everything is beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we'll see you in the next interesting place.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.